I recently discovered that you can actually propagate ube yams from the peels. Basically, you peel this thick enough and then you put the peels in a container where it can retain its moisture, and then you place it somewhere shady. You then leave it in that location for about 2 weeks to a month, only making sure that the peels still have some moisture. Within that time, you may see some growth on those peels, and then you can plant that back out in your garden. I'm making ube halaya today, so this is the best time to do this. This is my first time doing this. I saw a gentleman from the Philippines doing it on a YouTube video, and I wanted to try it out. He had a lengthy video, I think about 10 minutes, but the instructions were simple. He said that when peeling your tuber, peel it thick. This enables the skin to survive and have enough energy to push out some new roots and vine. We then put the peels in a plastic bag, and this gives them some protection from drying out. For the next several weeks, I will routinely be maintaining moisture to these peels. I've placed the peels in a nice cozy spot where no animals can get to it, so now we wait. Hey, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Look at this ube!